kitchen. I am Naga and you are watching the first episode of the Ranting Cook Show. Thank you. Since this is the first episode, I'll tell you about what happens in this show. So basically it is just me cooking finger-licking goodness dishes and ranting about life, which is my favorite thing to do. I teach you how to cook stuffs also, so you're getting something from me, I think so. Anyway, today I'm gonna cook chicken for dinner and I'll list the ingredients here on the screen. These are the ingredients that we will be using for today's menu. First things first, before we go into ranting and cooking, we will take a bowl and put this chicken, wash it, and start cutting any kind of vegetables that you are going to put into the dish. I have washed the chicken and we'll be cutting some tomatoes. I'm not that great with these skills. I thought you watching me cut tomatoes on camera will be not that great, so I'll just talk about stuffs when I'm chopping the tomatoes. Topic wise, I'm basically going to rant about why I don't want to go to college. So if you guys not already know, I am in my final year of college. I came home for holidays, but I don't want to go to college anymore. I like being at home. I don't like the stress of college and everything. Tomatoes are diced and I'm just going to put it in the boiling chicken, which we have been boiling for like 2 minutes or so. And let's put some salt. I'll be putting some chili flakes. These chili flakes are actually home grinded and it's very strong and also really tasty and really hot. We'll just keep it to boil like that untouched for a few minutes. Okay, it's getting darker because the sun is setting and I have to shoot it quickly before the sun sets completely. So I just want to talk about mental health in college. I don't know if I'm the right person to be talking about mental health, but I do like talking about mental health for my own sanity sometimes. So even if I'm not recording it, I sit in front of the mirror and talk about mental health, which is very important topic of discussion. When it comes to college, there is a lot of stress. College can be really stressful. Being in college, mental health is a mess because you have a lot of things going on around you and you feel lonely sometimes, and there is a ton of work and no time for yourself sometimes. Sometimes you are so broke. Like universities can make you go on a different level of broke. I am not seeing anybody, so sometimes it gets pretty lonely when everybody's talking about their life. So yeah, we don't say that L word when you don't have a L life in your college days. You might feel lonely and it's okay. Chicken is still being boiled. When I'm in my college and I'm in the hostel, I am mostly drained completely and to the point that I really want to drop out. So I ordered a tripod and I think I might have a better angle in my videos because right now I don't know how to shoot my videos. I don't want to hold my camera and be talking because I'm not much of a vlogger. And while we are waiting for it to cook, we will put some bamboo shoot into it. We are doing some Naga chicken recipe. I'll be leaving home soon, and it's getting really difficult as every day is passing by because I really love being at home. My aim in life is that one day I'll attend Harry Styles' concert and I'll stand in the front row and Harry Styles will sing Girl Crush and we will lock eyes and he will fall in love with me. Yeah, I had to go and turn off the stove because our chicken is going to be burned. I was saying, yeah, I think Harry and I would look really good together. So I have turned off the gas and this is how the chicken is looking. Since the chicken is done, we will be tasting the chicken while the beans and the carrots are being boiled. So guys, I'm done cooking. Thank you for accompanying me in this The Ranting Cook Show. First episode done, and I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching till the end if you did, and like if you liked it and subscribe if you want to. Thank you for watching. Bye.